Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu reports, in Medina Munawwara, Hazrat Abu Talha was the richest person, and he from all his properties liked Biruha garden most, which was opposite to the Masjid Nabawi, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would visit it and drink its fine water. When the words "Lan tanalul birra hatta tunfiqu mimma tuhibbuna" descended, Hazrat Abu Talha came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, "Undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says in His book, you shall never attain good unless you spend your favorite things, whereas I out of my all properties like Biruha most, so it is a charity in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. I wish good and treasure related to it from Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Expend it for the cause you please." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Bravo, that is a profitable property. That is a profitable property. I have heard what you said. I think you should donate it to your nearest relatives." He submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I did so." So Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu divided it among his nearest relatives and cousins. Ismail corroborated him from Imam Malik, and Rahu has reported the word Rabihun from Imam Malik. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2318.